wear a greasy ball cap. I like my shirt untucked. I spend Saturdays working on my truck. I don't like to fight, but I ain't scared to bleed. Most don't mess with a guy like me. Those guys like me drank too many beers on Friday after work. Our best blue jeans have skull rings. We wear our boots to church. So rough around the edges, it's hard to believe that girls like you love guys like me. Your daddy worked at the bank, mine worked on cars.
Down where I was born was heaven on earth, where Flint River washes that red Georgia dirt. The sun sets slow and the stars shine bright. We raised cotton and corn, a little cane and kids. You either lived on a farm or wished you did. And Jesus always walked close by our side. Where I grew up, we rode in trucks. There's a lot about life we learned on the bus. How to lie, how to fight, how to kiss, how to cuss. The closer we sat to the back, the smarter we got. We were poor, we were ugly, we were all best friends. Wide-eyed, baptized, and still wanting to sin. Thank God we get more than just one shot. Where I grew up, we rode in trucks. That's us hauling hay in the field with the radio on. That's us heading straight into town when the work was done. In my mind, I can still see us now, riding down Buck Island Road. Yeah, I'm chilling on the dirt road, laid back swerving like I'm George Jones. Smoke rolling out the window and ice cold beer sitting in the console. Memory laid up in the headlights, it's got me reminiscing on them good times. I'm turning off a real life driving, that's right, I'm hitting easy street on mud tires. Back in the day, Potts Farm was a place to go. Load the truck up, hit the dirt road, jump the barbed wire, spread the word, light the bonfire and call the girls. King and the can and the Marlboro man, Jack and Jim were a few good men where you learn how to kiss and cuss and fight too. Better watch out for the boys in blue and all this small town he said, she said. Ain't it funny how rumors spread like I know something y'all don't know? Man, that talk is getting old. You better mind your business, man, watch your mouth before I have to knock that loud mouth out. I'm tired of talking, man, y'all ain't listening. Them old dirt roads is what y'all miss. I'm chilling on a dirt road, laid back swerving like I'm George Jones. Smoke rolling out the window and ice cold beer sitting in the console. Memory laid up in the headlights, it's got me reminiscing on the good times. I'm turning off a real life driving, that's right, I'm hitting easy street on mud tires. I sit back and think about them good old days, the way we were raising our southern ways. And we like cornbread and biscuits, and if it's broke around here, we fix it. I can take y'all where you need to go, down to my hood, back in them woods. We do it different round here, that's right, but we sure do it good, and we do it all night. So if you really want to know how it feels to get off the road, trucks and four wheels, jump on in, and man, tell your friends we'll raise some hell with a blacktop in. Chilling on the dirt road, laid back, swerving like I'm George Jones. Smoke rolling out the window and ice cold beer sitting in the console. Memory laid up in the headlights, it's got me reminiscing on the good times. Turning off a real life driving, that's right, I'm hitting easy street in one time.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You know it.
And thinking about the women of this old world. Well, I've known quite a few, but between me and you, I ain't never met the perfect girl. They either ain't that fun, they're way too young, or they ain't got a lick of sense. Well, I don't know if she exists, but I'm making up a list that I'm checking them all against. Yeah, she gotta be 5'11", she smells like heaven. She was born in '86 or maybe '87. She got full intentions of getting her PhD. She got a big old booty, a countrified booty. She's a certified, bona fide, cold-blooded cutie. If anybody knows where the perfect girl might be, won't you tell her about me? But relationships are tricky and I'm looking for a perfect fit. I want a smoking hot honey with a whole lot of money, whose favorite thing is sharing it. Well, you can't really miss her, hell, she may be your sister, but whoever she might be, you'd be a real lifesaver if you do me one favor and put in a good word for me. She's gotta be 5'11", she smells like heaven. She measures 36, 24, 37. She got full intentions of financially supporting me. She got a big old booty, a countrified booty, and she don't get mad if I watch dirty movies. If anybody knows where the perfect girl might be, won't you tell her about?
Down in the parking lot, that's us with mud on our tires when it rains a lot. In my mind, I can still see us down, riding down Buck Island Road. It wasn't that long. Yeah! There's a lot about life we learned on the bus. How to lie, how to fight, how to kick, how to cuss. Damn it!
Oh, you're hella gay.
Thanks.
He's hella gay.
Okay. Damn.